guys, I thought I'd do an unboxing of my first sponsor video. This is the first time I'm ever doing a sponsor video, so I do apologise if I'm rubbish, but it's my very first one, so let's get open it. This company is called Lampy, and they do different lights, different 3D lights for anybody. There's anime, there's animals, there's all kinds of stuff. So if you'd like to buy any of their products, I will put a link down below. I had a look on their website to pick the one I wanted so they could send it to me, and I fell in love with this one that I'm opening for you now. So yeah, let's get into it. They've wrapped it really well. Excuse my attire, I have not long come back off holiday, so I'm a bit burnt. Oh, this is fun. Oh, there we go. So that's the people down there. Lampy. It's L-A-M-P-T-E-E. So we'll just open the box, and there it is. It's wrapped nicely. So in here we have the Eevee. I think that one's an extra one, I'm not sure what that is. So here we have how to use it. So there's the remote. It just says, telling me to read all the instructions, how to use the plate, how to use 3D cables. So it's all packed nicely. So that's that. I don't think it comes with anything else. Let me check my phone to see if I'm missing anything. Just bear with me. Okay. So that I'm going to set this all up. So, as you can see, this is the box it came in, and like I said, if you guys like to check it out, the link will be in the description below. I'm just trying to see if they've... So I've just put in the batteries. So let's put it on. And this, I don't know if you can see, this is what it looks like. And it changes colour. Look how gorgeous that looks. Like I said, if you guys would like your own Lampy, Lamp Tea, I think it's called, I will put the link in the description box below, and you can go and get one yourself. And it's just super pretty, and I absolutely love it. It will be going on top of my printer. bless me. And also comes with batteries. Not batteries. A remote. So this bit changes colour. So you can change your colour. That's how fast they can change the colour, and that's how slow you can change the colour. That's off, you can turn it on, and that's to, but I'd probably have it on this. Oh wow, yeah, you can have as well have it on flash. Turn that on. You can dimmer it, make it lighter, make it darker. Trying to figure out how you but yeah, that is the lamp tea light. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. And just like I said, this is my first ever sponsored video, so I do apologise if it's not fantastic, but I absolutely love this, and I do recommend you guys go and check them out, because I probably will be ordering another one of these for my fiance, because he loves Pokemon. Like I said, they don't just do Pokemon, they do others as well, so just go check out that link down below and go check them out. Okay guys, bye.